Hey there. So this is just a quick video on ribbons. If you want to make a ribbon, you could do it for fabric or even for washi tape, for example, or different type of tape. So in this case, well, again, you need to know how big your ribbon is going to be. So how wide. I made an example here with 1 inch ribbon, but it could be 2.5 inches, it could be 5 inches, I think there are as well. So you need to know your measurements before, and you can make something like that with a pattern that flows, overflows basically from the sides. But again, in this case, the only important thing to repeat is the motif that you have on the left, and it needs to be repeated on the right. Everything else can just be left as it is. It doesn't have to be repeating, because then you will only be printing it from left to right. You don't have to worry about top and bottom to match perfectly. Or if you want, you can arrange it like this so that everything is inside the ribbon. And of course you can also add, for example, a line here, another rectangle. So I'll make this a bit bigger. Yeah, needs to be like that. So click and drag, and you can make a rectangle like this with a matching color, preferably. Let's see, something like this. And then let's drag it at the bottom. Okay, always make sure that you have the right sides. It doesn't go over the sides here, although it doesn't really matter, because then it will be cut. But if you want a certain width here, make sure that it's inside the ribbon, and then make sure it goes over a little bit, from this side, and also this side, so it will repeat seamlessly on these sides as well. And with a straight line like this, you don't have to really worry, because it will just repeat perfectly. And this is all about ribbons. And again, I think if you want to print something like this on Spoonflower, I'm pretty sure it needs to be uploaded this way. Oops, not that way. This way. So make sure that your design is like this, and then it will repeat. I can't remember, but I will check this for you. If you have to upload, for example, more than one ribbon, something like this, for example, so you have the width of your fabric, and then you just repeat this, so you will have, let's say this is 1 meter, the width, then you just distribute these in 1 meter, and then it will just print 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meters that way towards the bottom. So I'm pretty sure it works like this for the ribbons as well, because it works like that for, as I show you, for the border pattern. But if you don't want to print it in on Spoonflower, then you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so in the next lesson, we're going to see how to make a border pattern using symbols, which is quite fun. And I'm pretty sure you will like the idea. Okay, see you in the next lesson.